How to fix allow access to microphone not found in Android apps. That's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do is you can if there is any Android apps that microphone is not working, so what you can do is you can firstly go to the settings, and first you go to your settings of your device, and then you have to scroll down and then go to your apps, and then click on the manage apps, and here you have to search the apps. So let's see, the app is Instagram. So you can do this with any of the apps. So let's see, the app is Instagram. You can open the app, and then here you can see the app. In the permissions tab you can see the option app permissions. So when you go here, then when you if you can't see the microphone in the allow tab, then you can see the microphone in the denied tab. So if you have denied the microphone, so you can, what you can do to allow it is you can click on the microphone in the denied tab and then allow it by clicking on the allow button, and here you can see the microphone is in the allow tabs. So if it still not works, you can go to that and try it. But if it still not works, what you can do is you can long hold the Instagram app and then click on the app info, and then here you can see the uninstall button. Click on the uninstall and then again click on the OK, and it will be uninstall the app. It means delete the app, and after that you can reinstall the app again by going to your Play Store, and then when you again sign into your account, then you can see here the microphone is working. So you can do this with all the apps available on into your Android apps. So that's basically that how you can fix your microphone. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.